In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a HubSpot email as HTML. This can be incredibly useful if you want to archive your emails, share them with your team, or use the HTML in other campaigns. Let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once the page loads, click on the login button. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard, so make sure you have them handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the marketing section. You'll find this option on the main menu. It's where all your marketing tools and features are nestled, including the email section, which is our main focus today. Now, within the marketing section, look for the option labeled email. Click on it and it will take you to the page where you can view all your emails. Here you'll see a list of all the marketing emails you've created. Scroll through your list and find the specific email you want to export. Click on that email to pull up its details page. This page shows various data about your email, such as performance metrics, recipient data, and more. Next, hover over the email preview. You'll notice a button that says View Email. Click on it and a new tab will open, displaying your email as it would appear to recipients. Now, while you're viewing the email in this new tab, right-click anywhere on the page. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to select the option that says View Page Source. This is a crucial step because it lets you access the HTML code of your email, allowing you to save it and use it elsewhere. Once the page source is open, you'll see a lot of code. Don't worry, this is exactly what you need. Highlight all the HTML code. Depending on how much there is, you might want to click at the beginning, scroll to the end, and then use Shift-click to select everything. Once it's all highlighted, go ahead and copy it. The next step is to open a text editor on your computer. You can use something simple like Notepad for Windows users or TextEdit for Mac users. Paste the HTML code you've copied into this text editor. Finally, it's time to save this file. You'll want to add HTML to your file name to specify that it's an HTML file. Also, ensure you select the appropriate file type if your editor requires it. This step will allow you to view the file in your browser later on, verifying that everything's intact. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your HubSpot email as HTML. Now you can use this file however you need, whether it's for backup, sharing, or any future marketing endeavors. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.